At the gym. Oh my god. Cheers. Let's go. Okay. My closet is this.
Oh, that's nice. This
is my closet. This is my outfit. I have my white hair. Bye. I'm here. Yeah. But honestly, like, then you get go. Yes. Okay. That's embarrassing. Okay, here's you guys. What I should get. So we don't have time to mess around. Maybe I'll figure out. Like for real? Montage time. Oh, it's here. Basically, bye. I'm such a businesswoman, saving money. Look at me. Who knew? Who knew I could do that? Why did it take a? Right. Try on hauls. This is actually this started. I'll see you in 2 weeks. It's really hard to explain, but so. Okay.
I want someone to make a video on how many times you actually burp in the car.
Oh, that one was waiting. Wanna go to Target? Anyways.
Excuse me.